Welcome, Math Wizards. Are you ready to multiply and conquer? Today we're diving into a multiplication quiz. We've got 20 fun and challenging questions just for you. Get your thinking caps on and let's multiply the fun. Let's kick things off. What is 2 times 3? Is it A, 4, B, 6, or C, 5? The answer is B, 6. Great start. Here comes question 2. What is 4 times 2? Is it A, 8, B, 6, or C, 7? The answer is A, 8. Awesome work. Next up, question 3. What is 3 times 3? Is it A, 6, B, 9, or C, 12? The answer is B, 9. Keep going. Question 4. What is 5 times 2? Is it A, 10, B, 8, or C, 9? Here's the answer is A, 10. You're doing great. Here's question 5. What is 1 times 7? Is it A, 5, B, 7, or C, 6? The answer is B, 7. Fantastic. Question 6. What is 6 times 1? Is it A, 7, B, 6, or C, 8? The answer is B, 6. Well done. Time for question 7. What is 3 times 4? Is it A, 12, B, 9, or C, 11? The answer is A, 12. Awesome job. Question 8. What is 2 times 5? Is it A, 10, B, 11, or C, 9? The answer is A, 10. You're on fire. Let's go to question 9. What is 4 times 4? Is it A, 15, B, 16, or C, 20? The answer is B, 16. Keep it up. Double digits now. Question 10. What is 6 times 2? Is it A, 11, B, 10, or C, 12? The answer is C, 12. You're halfway there. Take a deep breath. You're doing amazing. Ready for the next set of questions? Let's keep multiplying. Question 11. What is 7 times 1? Is it A, 7, B, 8, or C, 6? The answer is A, 7. Fantastic work. Question 12. What is 3 times 5? Is it A, 12, B, 15, or C, 14? The answer is B, 15. Great job. Question 13. What is 2 times 6? Is it A, 12, B, 11, or C, 10? The answer is A, 12. Amazing. Question 14. What is 9 times 1? Is it A, 8, B, 9, or C, 7? The answer is B, 9. You're a star. Question 15. What is 4 times 3? Is it A, 11, B, 10, or C, 12? The answer is C, 12. Keep it going. Question 16. What is 5 times 4? Is it A, 20, B, 25, or C, 18? The answer is A, 20. Incredible. Question 17. What is 8 times 1? Is it A, 7, B, 8, or C, 9? The answer is B, 8. Great job. Question 18. What is 7 times 2? Is it A, 12, B, 14, or C, 13? The answer is B, 14. You're almost there. Question 19. What is 3 times 6? Is it A, 18, B, 21, or C, 17? The answer is A, 18. Amazing work. Final question. Question 20. What is 9 times 2? Is it A, 18, B, 16, or C, 19? The answer is A, 18. You did it. That's a wrap, multiplication masters. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more math magic. See you soon.